How to add color grading in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the color workspace at the bottom. This is where you will find all the color grading tools. Next, select the clip you want to work on. A single node appears automatically. Think of it as a layer for color changes. Start with basic adjustment like lift, gamma, gain, and offset from the primary wheels panel. Lift controls shadows, gamma affects midtones, gain adjusts highlights, and offset shifts the overall tone and brightness. Then, open the curves tab next to the color wheels and select hue versus saturation. Use the eyedropper to target the color in your video, and raise or lower the curve to fine-tune its saturation. This is perfect for balancing specific colors like skin tones or skies. If you want a creative look, apply a lot by dragging one from the lots folder onto a new node. You can lower the intensity by adjusting the key output. To isolate and tweak a color even more, use the qualifier tool and adjust hue, saturation, or luminance only for that selection. Finally, review your clip using the scopes and make final adjustment. And that's it. Now you know how to add color grading in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.